Well, here we are. Look at those paintings. It's like they're saying, "Welcome to Quiet Haven. We wouldn't want you feeling too happy now, would we?" It sure looked better on the website. Ivy? Ivy, are you alright? So, you're still not talking to me? Great. I can't say I'm surprised. This is so very much like you. What have I done? We were driving, and then you went to sleep for a while, and really, what the hell have I done? I'd like to know if that's okay. You know, I'm trying my best here, so can you please just cut it out and talk to me? It's been a long drive. I'm tired, and I really don't need this. I give up. Let's book us in. There's gotta be someone here who can give us a room. Did you hear that? This storm is gonna be huge. Hello? Is anybody there? Ivy? Where are you going?
Devil came through here.
What? What is that even supposed to mean?
We're not alone, Joe.
They are watching us.
Who?
These bad people. They live in the mirrors. They reach out sometimes, trying to grab. They've gone now, but soon they will return.
What the hell are you talking about?
Can you really not see them?
No, I can't.
If you close your eyes, you will see them too.
They'll devour you whole, Joe.
They will.
No! Get away from him!
They've gone now.
Who's gone? I don't understand.
The big fat flesh-eating maggots with blood pouring out of their hungry mouth. They are always hungry, and they will bite and chew and swallow until we are nothing.
This is crazy. We need to get you to a doctor, Ivy. I really don't know what to do. You don't seem right, Ives.
We need to leave right now. Something bad is coming.
Yeah, the storm. And that's exactly why we can't leave.
There are worse things than the storm, you know.
We'll be fine. Trust me. Now pull yourself together and follow me. We'll get to our room, get some sleep, and I'm sure you'll see things in a different light tomorrow.
Hello. May I help you?
to get a room.
I see, of course. We're usually fully booked this time of year, but you're very lucky. We do have one room left. Seaside view, recently refurbished, and suite bathroom. It's a beauty.
Don't listen to her. She's a liar. Liar, liar, liar. Fucking liar! There's blood under her nails.
Excuse me?
I'm sorry. We've had a long trip. My wife's very tired.
Oh, alright. I understand. Oh, well, but the room... I'm afraid there is one problem.
What is it?
Unfortunately, there's no double bed in it. 2 singles. Is that okay with you?
It's fine, I guess.
Excellent. Please follow me. I'll give you the key. Here's the key. Now may I have your full names, please?
Joe and Ivy Davis.
Have you stayed here before? You look familiar.
No, this is the first time. Is that all? I'd really like to get some sleep.
Why, of course. First floor, room 101. Take the stairs. The lift is out of order at the moment. Breakfast at 8 a.m. Please don't be late. Oh, and one more thing.
What is it?
There's a lady staying in room 102, right next to you. She's a very light sleeper, so please try to keep your voice down. She should not be disturbed.
Sure. Whatever. We'll try not to disturb anyone. Good night.
What is happening to me, Joe? I know something's been wrong for a long time, but I used to be able to control it. And now, I don't even know who I am anymore.
Maybe you're just tired. I'm sure tomorrow we won't even care about any of this.
Wait. I'm losing my mind here, and you want me to fucking sleep! If this is reality, I can't even imagine what my dreams would be like. But thanks for your input, Joe. Useful as ever.
I don't know what to do. One minute you're you, and the next, you're someone different. I don't even know.
What if that person has always been in me? But you didn't want to know. You were afraid to see her.
You couldn't hide it from me all these years.
Huh. You wanna bet?
What do you mean?
Nothing can save us. Maybe we shouldn't be together, Joe. I mean, I've been thinking, why do you love me?
There are so many reasons, Ivy.
I can see who I am, Joe. I know your life would be easier without me, and yet you always fight for me. Can you give me just one good reason someone like me deserves to be loved?
Fine, let's do this. Where do I start? When you smile, I feel like the happiest man alive. Oh, and this. I like holding you in my arms when you're sad. But most of all, I guess, We've been through so much together. I couldn't imagine my life without you.
You like my smile? But I can't even remember the last time I smiled. And when was the last time you held me in your arms? Because I can't remember. I'm sure neither can you. And finally, yes. We have been through a lot together. Perhaps too much. I think it's time to say it loud and clear.
Ivy,
I'm serious. This stupid holiday, it's never gonna fix anything. It's too late for that. So please, say it, Joe. Say it, so we can both be free.
I still love you.
No, that's the thing you don't. You have to understand that, Joe. Whatever that was between us, it's gone.
Ivy,
I'm done talking. Go to sleep and leave me alone.
what about you?
I'll go to bed soon enough. We need to get up for the breakfast, don't we? 8 a.m., don't be late.
I don't care about a fucking breakfast.
Why? We might as well play a happy couple one last time.